Shark.
Yes.
So how was it like?
No, I mean, like, you should tell me, how was that? How did it look?
We loved it. I mean, loved
Well,
that scene.
well, I didn't. I hated shooting for it. I mean, that was one of the sequences which really took a lot of time.
Giving us masala.
Seriously. I was in a 200 by 150 tank, which was about 5.5 feet. And that shot literally took like almost a full day to get it right. So there's,
But
there's
it
a
is
lot of.
marvelous. Whatever we saw there, it is like amazing. Give it up for NTR Junior, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, that's all with the questions from our friends from the media. But I have a question for you. Of course, you are this ace filmmaker, the creative genius. What is it that, that appeals to you when you watch a trailer? Because we do this day in, day out. But I can see that twinkle in your eye today. It's something special. What is it that appeals to you the most when we release a trailer like this, whether you are a part of that film or not, as a cine lover?
As you just said, as a cine lover, as a cine goer, for me, I've grown up watching films in single screens. Like when I was 4 years old is when I went and watched a film in a single screen with my parents, and then that began my journey with watching massive cinema in cinema halls. So to me, every time I see a tentpole film, a cinema spectacle, it just makes my heart happy. Because this is what we're here for, right? Absolutely. We're here. What else we here for, as Kapil Dev says? We really want to just watch the magic of celluloid, just the magic of big mainstream cinema. So when I see a trailer like the Devra trailer, it just explodes. Like whether I'm associated with the film or not is really immaterial. I, as a cinegoer, as an audience, as a fan, when I watch massive entertainment, that's all I'm here for. That's all I want. That's all I live for, literally.
Absolutely. Tarak bhai, this one last question for you. What do you have to say to all your fans now when I'm sure they must have seen the trailer? Ab kya bolna hai? Ek aakhri cheez.
I always want to thank them for all the love and all the support they've given me over the years of being an actor. And I don't know. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot I need to thank them for. But I would just this humble thanks. Thank you for being there with me.
Saif sir, closing remarks, I would say. What do you have to say to all the fans out there who were like eagerly waiting for the trailer and now it's out?
I think it's an amazing trailer. The background music, the visuals. I have to say, Randy sir, our DOP, has shot this film outstandingly. The cast has been fab. Of course, Tarak Sashivasa's vision. I think it's really exciting. And like Karan said, like a big movie coming out that you should watch in the theaters with all these beautiful colors and this amazing sound. I'm very excited.
As Saif sir just talked about the BGM and the dialogue, so that is something that was, out there. The dialogues and the BGM complementing each other. Talk to us about that quickly, sir, please.
Right from the beginning, we thought of Anirudh as a music director because, he's the master of sound and he knows how to blend the music into the story well. And happy that he gave this output.
Yeah. And it's going like with the dialogues. Tarak sir, one last thing. Talk to us about Shiva sir. Is he like always this like...
Have you seen him answer your questions? It's always.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like that long.
I was afraid he
So Shiva is a master in especially when in dialogues. If your dialogue needs to be so much for you to let's say a kilometer, for you to express your angst or whatever it is, to express something. Shiva's dialogues are just 200 meters.
Right.
They're just 200 meters. So, and I don't know how he does it. He's extremely talented. I mean, I told you, I've been his friend for a very long time. We've been friends for a very long time. He just delivers the same expression in 200 meters. So it's like very few words, but the expression is so deep.
Precise and to the point, right? 27th September is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters. Let's just come to that point. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a final photo op, and I'd like to invite on stage some really cool people. Ji. मैं कर लूं पहले आते हैं ना would like to invite on stage our very favorite people. Of course, as I said, बड़े इन लोगों ने बड़ा काम किया है for the Indian